This is Jason with Southern Minnesota Auctions. Coming up, we've got this 1976 Airstream camper, the Excella 500 land yacht. Just gonna do a quick walk around here and kind of show you everything. Start off front here, 2 5/16 ball. Looks like it's got a power jack. No cracks in the glass up here. None that I can see. Got the marker lights there. On the side we do have a whammy right there. You can see the trim kind of popping out a little bit there. We got the awnings up there. Let's see, we got glass up there. Good. It's like the seal inside. Tires are going to need to be done. You can see how, they're cracked pretty bad. And these are, I know I had it in the listing. What did I say these were? No. Okay, aluminum rims. A couple little dents down there. With the marker light. The back glass looks good. Let me get around the side here. So you got another ding down there. Sneak past here. That glass looks good. These tires, okay, these are 7.00 R15s. And I said they're definitely going to need to be replaced. They're holding air, but yeah, they're really split. I wouldn't, I'd plan on putting wheels or tires. And it does come with one spare. You look at this glass. I don't see any cracks there. Got some scratches here and there. But don't we all, after, what, 50 years now? Yeah, she's 50 years old this year. Okay, well, let's take a look inside. The Excella 500. With the screen door. Here's the spare. We got the inside. Looks, this looks pretty original. This is crazy. Okay, so we got that. The smell, it isn't too bad. It smells old. That's, but it's not bad at all. Got some cracks in the plastic here, see? The clock and the temps, indoor and outdoor, that's cool. Got that stuff. And there's your spare. Okay. We got the refrigerator here. The freezer. The appliances and all that stuff is just going to be sold as untested. Got the drawers here with the slide. Bed that folds to a couch. You got the sink in here. That's where the AC unit is. I don't know the functionality of that. I'm not seeing any water damage. Oh, a little bit. Looks like maybe. That's hard to tell. That might be something else. So back here to the bathroom. Floor feels pretty good. You got the tub. That there. The plastic. Got one crack there. We got those. What we got here? Oh, we got closet. You can see. Must be another one here. Yep. I don't really see a huge, really huge amount of evidence of water damage. So, we do have inspection on this. We can do it by appointment, or we have a day where we're set up that the owner will be here, so you can come take a look at it for yourself, as well as the truck, the tractors, and whatnot. Let's see. See, the floor feels pretty good. You got that stain right there. It must be coming out for the vent right there. I don't feel any, I don't feel soft spots. So it feels pretty good. But definitely, come check it out. I mean, this is a nice original. It's about 28 feet without the hitch. So, yeah, nice 1976 Airstream. Called it the Land Yacht. I mean, this was it. You were king if you had this. All right. So, Southern Minnesota Auctions, surplusmn.com. All right. Thank you.